Welcome students. Today we are going to see email writing skill. The word email is a shorter version of the term electronic mail. Email means electronic mail. Email is a shorter version of the term electronic mail. Electronic mail is mechanism of exchanging messages digitally with the help of the internet as a communication platform. Today, email is one of the most commonly used mediums of communication. So let's explore the world of emails through this chapter. Why use email? Why use email? The functioning principle behind an email is relatively very simple, and it plays a crucial role in making it the most popular mode of communication, similar to the traditional postal service. All you need to know the address of recipient. However, email is more beneficial as compared to the paper mail due to its low cost and speed. Now we will see email basics. Email basics. There are such a basic while writing email. When you are ready to write email, at that time you should sure that your emails are well written. Your emails are well written. And also avoid such a silly grammatical mistakes and pick such a easy words while writing emails. Second, while writing email, use a readable font size of 10 to 12 points. Font size 10 to 12 points in your emails. While writing, you should use the font size 10 to 12 points in your email. It becomes very easy to read out to the reader. And third, if you are sending a professional mail, then send it from a professional email address. While sending email as a professional level, at that time you should send from a professional address, email address only. Professional email address only. And next, ideally, your email address should include a combination of your first and last name, or your first initial and last name. While writing email, you should also use the combination of first and last name. Combination of your first and last name. First and last name. Given below is the list of things which you must include if you are sending a job search correspondence. For job search correspondence, you should write email. At that time, you should follow such a following tips. First, email message template. First, email message template. The given template is a guideline to come up with customized email messages for send across employers and professional connections to. While writing email as a professional level, the given template is a guideline to come up with customized email messages for send across employers and professional connections. Second, subject line. Second, subject line. Include in your email a clear subject line. You should summarize the reason why you are sending such an email to somebody. So your subject line should clear to read out very easily to the readers. For example, application for sales manager, second, request for informational interview, in the subject line you should write clear subject to understand the reader. After then, the third step is salutation. Salutation. Always use a suitable salutation. In your email, you should use always a suitable salutation. For example, dear Mr. or Mrs. and last name. Now we will see how we will write the information in the email. There are such 3 paragraphs in your email. First paragraph, middle paragraph and final paragraph. In the first paragraph, paragraph of your email also include information upon the purpose of email. In the first paragraph, you should write the purpose why you are sending such an email to someone, and this purpose should be clear and direct about this. For example, in such a case, you are applying for a job. Mention the job title. If you want an informational interview, you can state that in your opening sentences. विद्यार्थ्यांनो, ईमेल लिहित असताना साधारणपणे ईमेलमध्ये 3 पॅरेग्राफ पडतात. पहिला पॅरेग्राफ जो आहे, फर्स्ट पॅरेग्राफ, यामध्ये तुम्ही तुमचा ईमेल ज्या कारणासाठी, ज्या उद्देशासाठी पाठवत असता तो उद्देश अत्यंत सुस्पष्ट स्थितीत तो लिहावा. उदाहरणार्थ, तुम्ही एखाद्या नोकरीकरता ॲप्लाय करत असाल तर तसा विषय स्पष्ट असावा, किंवा एखाद्या इंटरव्ह्यूसाठी तुम्हाला माहिती द्यायची असेल किंवा घ्यायची असेल तर तुमचं जे टायटल आहे ते अत्यंत स्पष्ट अशा शब्दामध्ये पहिल्या पॅरेग्राफमध्ये तुम्ही मांडायचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे. सो वी सी दॅट इन द फर्स्ट पॅरेग्राफ यू शुड राईट द पर्पज ऑफ युअर ईमेल, अँड दिस पर्पज शुड बी क्लिअर and direct about this why you are sending such an email to someone. Second, middle paragraph. In the middle paragraph, you must describe the main offer. The main offer. In the middle paragraph, you must describe the main offer which you wish to make to the employer, or in case you are writing to ask for help, then specify the type of assistance you are seeking, and you should keep this content concise, means short, flawless. Flawless means without mistake, and add relevant punctuations. In a middle paragraph, you must describe the main offer in your email, what you wish to make to the employer, or sometimes you want to help from somebody. At that time, you should be clear what type of assistance you are seeking from someone. So you should write this information or the content very concise, means in brief or short, without mistake means flawless, and add relevant punctuations in it. हा जो दुसरा पॅरेग्राफ, जो मिडल पॅरेग्राफ म्हणलेला आहे, त्यामध्ये ईमेल लिहित असताना या मधल्या पॅरेग्राफमध्ये नेमकं ज्याला आपण ईमेल पाठवत आहोत त्यामध्ये असणारी मेन ऑफर नोंदवायची आहे. उदाहरणार्थ, जर तुम्हाला एखाद्या गोष्टीची मदत हवी असेल तर कोणत्या प्रकारची मदत तुम्हाला हवी आहे तो असणारा जो कंटेंट किंवा आशय तो अत्यंत थोडक्या भाषेत, कोणतीही लिखाणाची चूक न करता योग्य विरामचिन्हाचा वापर करून तो अचूक लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न करायचा आहे. अँड लास्ट पॅरेग्राफ, फायनल पॅरेग्राफ. In the final paragraph, you should conclude your email by thanking the employer. Thanking the employer. In the last paragraph in your email, you should conclude by thanking the employer for providing an opportunity to you. शेवटच्या पॅरेग्राफमध्ये तुम्ही आभार व्यक्त करून तुमचा असणारा ईमेलचा आशय संपवायचा आहे. Students, now we will see one of the sample example of email. The questions will become in your activity sheet like this. Question: write an email. Write an email to the divisional officer Satpura Mountain Ranges Nagpur, seeking permission for the mountaineering expedition to be organized by your college. Such questions will be asked in your activity sheet. Write an email to the divisional officer, Satpura Mountain Ranges, Nagpur, seeking permission for the mountaineering expedition to be organized by your college. विद्यार्थ्यांनो, यामध्ये प्रश्न असा आहे की तुमच्या कॉलेजने गिर्यारोहण मोहीम हाती घेतलेली आहे आणि तुम्ही विद्यार्थ्याचा नेता म्हणून किंवा प्रमुख म्हणून नागपूरच्या सातपुडा माउंटेन रेंजेसच्या डिव्हिजनल ऑफिसरना हा ईमेल पाठवायचा आहे. त्याचा सब्जेक्ट काय असेल तर माउंटेनरिंग एक्सपिडिशन, परमिशन फॉर द माउंटेनरिंग एक्सपिडिशन. म्हणजेच आपण माउंटेनिंग एक्सपिडिशनसाठी गिर्यारोहण मोहिमेकरता डिव्हिजनल ऑफिसर नागपूर यांची परवानगी मागण्याकरता हा ईमेल लिहिणार आहोत. नाउ वी विल राईट ईमेल. Email search mail compose. You should write this email in your notebook. satpura@gmail.com. CC means carbon copy and BCC means blind carbon copy. Now we will write subject of the email. You should write subject clear cut, which easily understand to the reader. Subject: permission for mountaineering expedition. Mountaineering expedition. Mountaineering expedition. Now we will write the address. The divisional officer, Satpura Mountain Ranges, Satpura Mountain Ranges, Nagpur. First we will write email address satpura@gmail.com. After then we have written subject permission for mountaineering expedition. After then we have written address, the divisional officer, Satpura Mountain Ranges, Nagpur. After then we will write salutation. Salutation. Respected Sir, oblique Madam. Now we will write first paragraph. This is XYZ, the college representative of Modern College, Nashik. Modern College, Nashik, on behalf of my college, on behalf of my college, on behalf of my college. Who is that? I am requesting you to give permission for organizing a mountaineering expedition. Mountaineering expedition. From 20 to 30 December 2020, a total of 40 students A total of 40 students accompanied by 3 teachers. 3 teachers will be there in the expedition. This is the first paragraph of the email. Here I have written the purpose of the email to give permission for organizing a mountaineering expedition for the college. Now we will write middle paragraph. I am sure that you will grant us. You will grant us. You will grant us the permission. Grant us the permission. And we can explore the beauty of the Satpura ranges. And third paragraph, last final paragraph, thanking you. Yours faithfully, XYZ Modern Junior College, Nashik. Students, you should try your best level to write another example in your notebook. Thank you.